Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this soft light blue makeup look. I think this eye look is great if you are a guest at a wedding or another special occasion. This is also going to be fantastic for a promo makeup look. You can find a blue eyeshadow that matches with your dress and you can do the steps that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Last week I have posted a green eyeshadow tutorial and you guys told me that you wanted to see also a blue eye makeup look. Let me know in the comments what is the next color of eyeshadow tutorial that you want to see next. If you want to see more eyeshadow tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with a friend that likes blue eyeshadows. For today's look I'm going to use this palette here by Essence. This is a Good Day Sydney and in this palette we have a lot of shades that I want to use as my crease colors. Also we have some very beautiful blue eyeshadows. You can use any eyeshadows that you have and let me know in the comments below if you have an eyeshadow palette that it is similar to this one. I'm going to start with this light brown eyeshadow that we have. It has a matte finish as you can see, and with an eye blender brush by Essence I'm diffusing this into my crease. I'm going back and forth into my crease and after that I'm also using circular motions to blend the edges a little bit more. With brush E54 by Sigma I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow. This one also has a matte finish and this is how it looks, and I'm going to pat this on the outer part of my eyelid. I'm twisting my brush and I'm diffusing the color into the crease upwards. I can see here some edges. I continue buffing them. After that I'm taking a smaller brush. This is the smudging brush by Essence and this light brown eyeshadow again, and I smudge it in the lower lash line. I'm also diffusing this on the outer part of my eyelid. Okay, so let's continue. I want to add a little bit of blue eyeshadow. I'm taking this eyebrow brush by Essence and this dark shimmery blue eyeshadow. It's so pretty and I'm going to push this on my lower lash line closer to my lashes. This is basically the outline of my lower lashes, and with the same brush I'm also blending the blue eyeshadow into the previous eyeshadow, the light brown. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm taking again the same eyeshadow. I'm packing the color on the eyelid. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm diffusing the color into my crease. I want to give more definition to my crease because my eyes now are looking a little bit puffier and more hooded. I'm going to take again this light brown eyeshadow with brush 225 by Zoeva. I'm diffusing this into the crease. As we can see, the brown eyeshadow is completely covered by the blue eyeshadow. So with a smudging brush by Essence, I'm taking again a little bit of this dark brown eyeshadow and I'm just very lightly tapping this on the outer corner of my eyes. With brush E30 by Sigma, I'm taking this light champagne eyeshadow and I want to use this to highlight my inner corner and also my brow bone. In my waterline, I'm going to apply this one here. This is an eye pencil by Zerva Cosmetics in the shade Cypress Sea, and this is how it looks, so you can find something similar. It is like a beautiful sea blue color. So pretty. To make the eyeshadow pop, I'm going also to use some with my fingertip. For eyeliner, I'm going to use a liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. This is one of my favorite products, guys, you know that. I have used the Alexis lashes by Shop Miss A, $1 lashes, guys, and I have used them again. I cleaned them first and then I used them today. I love them. They are long enough but they are not covering my blue eyeshadow. Also they are wispy but they are not like the demi wispies by Ardell because they are longer. 50 cents and 50 cents. For the face I'm going to use this palette by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Romantic Gardens with brush 109 by MAC. I'm taking this bronzing contouring shade, and I just use it on my cheekbone, also a little bit on my forehead. I'm always diffusing my contouring products into the hairline so I don't create a contouring helmet. I'm also contouring my nose with the same brush. After that, I'm taking Santa's Little Helper by Essence. This is a brush that we got in the Christmas collection. Now it is my helper. I always say that, it's not funny. I'm going to take this blush here, the orange color. Ooh, that's so pretty. With brush E40 by Sigma, I'm taking this highlighter. This is just so pretty. I love this shade. It is super reflective, shiny on me. I love it. I take again this brush by MAC and I blend everything together. I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. I have this jelly lip balm that I have also used in my full face jelly makeup look. I will have a cut here if you want to see all the jelly makeup products that I have used. I'm going to line my lips with the soft contouring lip liner by Essence. This is in the color Lost in Love. After that, I also use the same lip pencil to fill in my lips. On top of that, I'm going to use the color Sensational lipstick by Maybelline. This is in the color Smoky Rose 987. You can watch here another blue smoky eye look with glitter. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!